special delivery.
So guys, yes, back with the part 2 of this video. Amplifier repair, this HD 5000. So, see if I get some MOSFET together here now. So I'm gonna get the same batch. So I have them in a bag, so they should be of the same batch. So it looks that, so I need like 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Guys, and this is the batch I'm using. Thing don't focus right, so no, not there. Put this back right here and here. Then, so now this, yeah, guys, let me give these little. I did have a little. Yeah, this little pliers right here, guys. It's a nice little tool. Is to make a little bend and this gently bend them. But what I do when you bend, don't push them all the way down. Leave a little room. Right, and I solder it from the top. I'm going to also solder them from the bottom. Yep. Let's show you I do one of them. So, yep, like that. Let's see if you guys can see what I'm saying when I say don't solder, like give it a little, match it to the circuit board to the, yeah. So I'm gonna replace all these guys and I'll get back to you real quick. Okay guys, please stay tuned. Okay guys, I'll show you. I gently bend the legs like come on, this here. Yep, see that? Yeah, gently bend them. This phone and focus, I tell you, boy. I tell you, there's one thing I hate about this phone. That would be focus. It doesn't focus close up. I don't know why. In these age and time, they're making phone like that. It's a Motorola and I hate it. Like, I don't know. It's easier like to post the videos from it, but I guess you just can't get everything good. Oh boy. Just make sure everything's on the same level, guys. And everything will be good, no problem. Everything is online. I do those already. You guys can see. Let's go to one extra one. Oh, yep, there's one extra one I'm gonna have to put back. All right, looking good here. Okay, so this is the next side that I did here. See everything lined up perfectly, and then I'm gonna have to work on this side, see if I have to do any big changes. So let's see here now. That's good. Nothing much here. Okay guys, Carty and Carty here again guys with part 3 of this video. The other one stopped on me at during my recording because its memory was full. I didn't know that I didn't have sufficient memory. I thought I deleted enough video and make space, but I didn't. So now with this one, let me show you what's going on here guys. So this is a, hold on, clear out it. Oh man. Alright, so this is a diode here guys, which I think this is a 15 volts diode. See how it's reading? Yeah. And this one was taken from right, remember I replaced these MOSFET right here. These are the 4768. These were right in the corner right there. That diode was right down there between those this cap right here and another diode that should read 47 because it's across a resistor. Let me see here. Yep, 47 ohms. There's one here that's reading. Kind of weird, but it's good. So this one guys, I'm gonna have that blue stripe across it. Yeah, I'm going to have to replace that one, which I think, as I said before, I think it's a 15 volts. So give me a minute here guys, let me get it and get back to you. Okay guys, this is my batch of diodes and a diode, which I'm gonna organize soon. Put them in the tray that I have, some parts cabinet. Yeah, but for now it's a lot. I don't have the time to really get stuff together like that. So bear with me guys. Look into all this stuff. With 15 volt diode, I'm sure I have 15 volts diode. No joke about it. I'm so sure. 15 volts Zener diode. This is the 4744. It should be 15 volts. Yeah, 47. Oh wow. Yeah. So I think, let me see, IN. It says ZM. Alright, let's see guys. We get it right here. ZM 4744. Go. Right, so you send me to the data sheet, which is, let me go to the data sheet and see what it says here. Right, doesn't show me the data sheet as yet. this is one Zener diode. Which is it? ZM4744, and that would be 15 volts, guys. This showing this thing weird. So yes, guys, I do have 15 volts and a diode which to replace that one. Same with the blue stripe that I didn't get to put in my parts cabinet as yet, guys, so I could just find them easier. Alright, let's take one of them out. I have a bunch of them, guys, so right now I'm gonna, let me just mark it. Says under this says 15 volts, so 15 V ZEN I put 15 volts Zener on it, guys, so I don't make the mistake next time. I know exactly what's up. So guys, I'm going to install this one. Let's make sure it's okay. Nice. So it's reading like 715. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you once I install this and do a couple more tests. Let's pause the video for a while. Okay guys, so I installed these MOSFETs. I was gonna show you guys while I was installing them, but I was like, nah, that's, you know, you guys don't need to see that boring part. Same thing over and over. So that's it. Everything is lined up properly, and circuit board is like looking like that for this HD 5000. It's not a popular amplifier, I realized. I looked up some information about it and I couldn't find like a lot of stuff. So I checked around. Yeah, some people would say poke around just to make sure everything is okay. Let me check this. Everything seems to be okay now, but you never know. As I said, I replaced this diode right here. This one here, 3 15 volts diode there. I think, yeah, 15 volts. If I'm not wrong, yeah, that should, yeah. One of them was really shorting out. One of them. And let me see here. But what I didn't do, I didn't pour this on as yet, so I don't know what it's going to do, what's going to happen. So let me check some stuff here. 500 across these, 5 4 something, yeah, not too bad, same readings. So from the end of this one over here to one of the gate should beep. So from the end of this to one of, nice. Right, that's a cap reading there. Really, yes, 47 ohms. I mean 4.7 ohms. Reading good. So guys, yeah, I think we're ready to pour up now. So this, let me check up the preamp stage of this area. Let's see if I have anything shorting out in this area. But as I said, I replaced all the power supply MOSFET. These output MOSFET was good. These were good too. Sorry, that's yeah. These were bad. I replaced these with another original batch. And this here, yeah, these are safe. But we'll see, guys, what's up now. Because I'm going to pour it up soon. But you know, I like to double check before I do all that kind of stuff. So I'll go around the circle and check around and let you guys know if everything's okay. So you know, just keep on which I think everything should be okay. Everything's reading fine right now. Okay, is that nothing is reading out of the ordinary. Everything is reading like they should, or like they like I know they should be reading. So guys, let's just see what, and hold on.
Special delivery.